going on? Come on.
So, why did you bring the balloon?
It's his birthday.
It's my birthday.
Come on.
And
Dad.
how old are you? How old are you?
4.
Should we do the cake? Yeah, come on, Dad. Do you want to go up on the bed? Go on, Dad.
Go on. And what did you get for your birthday?
3.
Did you get this? And
Whoa!
and what else did you get? This looks new. Did you get that? Sid, did you get this? Looks new. And how does this work?
Look!
Is it like this?
Not scared of Francesco.
It's on board.
Now look at this, Sid. Oh, yeah. Sid. Wait. I'm going to do your birthday cake, yeah?
Are you putting in? Dad, not yet. Dad, not yet.
Okay.
Please stand by.
Me?
Okay, here we go. Oh, okay. Okay, here's the cake. Is it? Okay, everyone, come on, let's sing.
But Dad, you...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
What?
That means it's going to be 1 because there's 1 candle.
It's 4. Look.
Let's
it
get
says
3
4
more
on it.
candles.
How is it just 1? It says 4 on it.
Let's get 3 more candles.
I haven't got 4 more candles.
3 more
I
candles.
haven't got. Do you want to
Can I
blow
touch
and wish something for your 4th birthday? No? Should I do it? Okay, quickly before Neil does it. 1, 2, 3. Nice one! Do you wanna buy the cake? Buy the cake! Neil is going to buy the cake. Oh no, Sid, buy the cake.
Sit.
Ow! Oh wow! What a bag!
Hip hip.
Oh, hooray!
Hey, hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Wow! What a birthday!
Hoorah.
Great. See you soon, amigo.
Wait, see you soon, amigo. Look at him, so happy.
Happy birthday, Sid.
Happy
Me?
birthday, Sid.
Neil, here's some cake.
What?
Can I have the
did
ball
the cake.
one? Can I have the ball one? Where's the ball one? No, I want the ball cake.